Hi guys, today's video we're gonna be doing lubrication on the door handle like this one here because the climate now here is getting colder. So when the climate getting colder, so the door handle obviously it's the same thing all of the car obviously will get get stuck, get seized, and the reason for that, and then if you try to open it, it won't open, it won't release, and then you try to force it and then it's gonna break. So to prevent that, very expensive repair or buying things is we need to like kind of spray on the certain things like so. In order to focus the thing, like it won't open while you spraying it, first you're gonna have to lock all the doors, lock the doors so it won't open. You have to lock it so it won't open when you try to spraying it, opening it or whatever. So the door is locked. So now what you're gonna do, you have to grab kind of WD-40 and then spray on the top, spray like that, spray under, and then try to open it and then spray like that. See, spray evenly. Okay, so it's very hard to like operate in one hand here, so we just try to make our way here. So spray, get inside like the position here, see this, open here and try to spray on the very inside like so. While you're spraying, while you're opening the door, you have to spray on the very inside as I said, and then as I mentioned, the purpose of that is that there are lock mechanism inside, door mechanism that need to be lubricated like so. And once you have it, try to spray on the top as well. Okay, and that's it. And spray also on the key in here, that will serve. Okay, and that is good. And now we're gonna go around on the driver's side. Remember the door is locked, so you are doing this with the door is locked, so it won't open when you are doing it, spraying. So one, spray on the top. I'm going to spray each one of its door. So spray in here, spray inside on the inside. So as I said, as I mentioned, try to spray on the very inside because the purpose of that is the lock door mechanism that has to be lubricated as well. Okay, and that's it. WD-40 is very effective in some cases. Okay, and since you have there the residue, you just kind of wipe it down like that. Okay, and that's it. And then wipe it down also here. and the other side, on the passenger side, you have to spray as well. So remember, lock the doors so it won't open when you are doing this thing. So just get ready with your key, because if your car has the alarm system, so it will alarm and you will be disturbing the neighbors. So again, yeah, so this thing, yeah, or disable the alarm. By disable the alarm, you have to disconnect the battery. Okay, and that's it. And then you can spray here on each side. Okay, that's what we're doing here. Spray as much as you can so the door will stay in contact. Okay, and also the wing mirror has to be sprayed as well. I will show you why the purpose of this mirror have to be sprayed as well, because the time when you want folding, you have to fold it like that. It will fold without any problem or without any tension. Okay, so like that, the mirror move easily. So basta tag-ulan na, tapos medyo malamig na ngayon, taglamig na, i-spray nyo lang ganun, WD-40. The reason for that, kasi ang mirror doon sa kabila, as you can see here, is broken. You know why? Because the first owner, the owner of this one, this is Citronimo, the owner of this one tried to pull the mirror, like pushing like on the other side, try to pull it, and the spring or the mechanism spring inside, it gets stuck, it seized, so he forced it and then it broke. That's why it has the bandage now, because it's very difficult to find this kind of mirror. So make sure, guys, if you have car, you do the same thing as this, because during cold days or the door locks, sometimes they get seized, and when they get seized, they are very kind of hard to open it up, and if you force it, and this will cause problem or damage, resulting on a very expensive repair. So you have to think solution, and this is now the solution that we have. So now we're gonna open the door. Okay, then we put back our things here. So this is our Citronimo, guys, the very solid car. This is our Citronimo. This is this van, like mini van, small van. This strikes anywhere. So like I said, this will strike anywhere. Whenever you call, I go. Okay, so this is our service now, and it's a good van, solid. So the engine also solid. Okay, so that's the secret of it. There are souvenirs up there. See that? Souvenirs, different type of timing belt, and different cars model, and the latest was the Toyota Toyota Hiace 03 timing belt. So actually this needs to be like car wash, but since we have no time, so pinagpaliban lang muna natin. And then since very cold day na ngayon, getting cold, you have also regularly check the tire pressure, because that's very important also. In the mileage point of view, that will affect also mileage. So regular tire pressure on both sides has to be like this band here. You can have here the information on how many like psi that you pump in your different car, or what car you have there. So there is information written here, should be down. This one here is very very hard to find, because it's take a look at the other one, the other side. If you can see, it should be on the, like, see this thing here, this is the psi. Okay, so it's 50 psi, so 50 psi on its wheel. So see your you have also a guide. You can see on this side here, you have also a guide on how much air pressure that is getting in. So that's double check on the tire. This should be like in here. Okay, that's the information in here. Okay, thank you.